Dear friends, in my today's video, we are going to take the information about the correct use of articles. In the English language, there are three articles: a, and, the. As a general rule, a singular countable noun should have an article before it. Articles are divided into two types. A and an are known as indefinite articles. The is known as the definite article. So first of all, today we are going to take the information about the use of article A. There are some of the rules about that. Number 1. Before any consonant, we have to use article A. For example, a boy, a woman, a yard, a house, a hole. The second rule is that when you sounded as you, that time we have to use article a. For example, a university, a unicorn, a useful things, a European. Rule number 3. When O sounded as wo, that time article A is used. For example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, a one. So dear friends, in that way we have to use article a. Now let's take the information about the use of article an. Rule number 1. Article an is always used before the vowel. Which are the vowel in the English language? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and before that vowels always use article an. For example, an enemy, an ink pot, an orange, and umbrella. Rule number 2. When a consonant sounded like a vowel, that time article an is used. For example, an FM radio, an MA, an NCC. In that example, a consonant sounded like a novel, so we have to use article an. Rule number 3. When in the given example H is silent, so that time article an is used. For example, an hour, an owner, an hourly bus service, an honest person. In that all example H are silent, so in that example we have to use article an. Now let's take the information about the use of the article the. There are also some of the rules about use article the. Rule number 1. When we speak of a particular person or thing, that time we have to use article the. Example, the book you gave me is very useful. Second example, do you know the man who is standing there? In the two examples we can find that we are talking about a particular person or thing, so we have to use article the. Rule number 2. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the rose is a lovely flower. In that example, rose is represent to the whole class of the flower, so we have to use article the. Rule number 3. When there is the name of the things that are the unique, that time before that we have to use article the. When the names of the things that are unique one, for example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the sea, the ocean. Next rule about the use of the article the. In the superlative degree, before the superlative degree, we have to use article the. For example, he is the best boy in our class. In that example, superlative degree word is the best, and before that we have to use article the. Next rule, when we are using any adjective, that time we have to use article the. For example, the guilty will be punished. Next rule is that with the names of the any holy books, rivers, seas, oceans, groups of the islands, gulfs and mountain ranges, we have to use article the. For example, the Gita, the Vedas, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the West Indies, the Persian Gulf, the Himalayas. These all are the example of the holy books name, rivers, seas, ocean, groups of the island, gulfs and the mountain ranges. And before that we have to always use the article the. The last rule about use of the is that with an individual as the representative of a whole class, we have to use article the. For example, the cow is a useful animal. In that example, the cow is representative of a whole class, so we have to use article the. So dear friends, I hope you have understand that. So if you like my video,